Want to pass your driving test? Memorize these 40 must-know road signs and secure your success. Let's get started. Name this road sign. Correct! This sign prohibits stopping in this area. What is this traffic sign? Well spotted. This sign marks a designated parking place. Identify this road sign. Good observation. This sign warns of pedestrian activity ahead. Guess this traffic sign. Excellent. This is the stop sign. Which road sign is this? That is right. This is the give way sign. Name this traffic sign. Well spotted. This sign marks a tunnel ahead. Guess this road sign. Correct. This sign prohibits making left turns at an intersection. Identify this traffic sign. Excellent. This is the roundabout sign. What is this road sign? Good observation. This is the uneven road warning sign. Name this traffic sign. Correct. This sign indicates an upcoming traffic signals. Spot this road sign. Well spotted. This sign marks a T-junction. Name this traffic sign. Excellent. This sign prohibits buses on a particular road. Spot this road sign. Good observation. This sign prohibits vehicles from overtaking. Identify this traffic sign. Correct. This sign warns drivers of narrowing roadway. What road sign is this? Excellent. This sign warns of a riverbank or quayside ahead. What road sign is this? Good observation. This sign marks a horse-drawn vehicle area. Guess this traffic sign. Correct. This is the falling rocks warning sign. What road sign is this? Excellent. This is the crossroads sign. Guess this traffic sign. Well spotted. This is the loose chippings warning sign. What road sign is this? Good observation. This sign warns drivers to a double bend, first to the left. Guess this traffic sign. Correct. This sign indicates the legal height limit for vehicles. What road sign is this? Excellent. This is the dip sign. Guess this traffic sign. Well spotted. This is the opening bridge sign. Identify this road sign. Good observation. This sign warns drivers that the road narrows on the right. Which traffic sign is this? Correct. This sign prohibits motor vehicles on a particular road. Name this road sign. Excellent. This sign warns of a fire station ahead. Identify this traffic sign. Well spotted. This is the speed camera sign. Guess this road sign. Good observation. This sign marks the target for a crossing gate. What is this traffic sign? Correct. This sign warns drivers to a junction on a bend. Which road sign is this? Excellent. This sign warns of ice or snowdrifts in the area. Identify this traffic sign. Well spotted. This sign warns of sheep in the area. Guess this road sign. Correct. This sign alerts drivers to stop for children crossing. Name this traffic sign. Excellent. This is a designated with-flow cycle lane. Identify this road sign. Good observation. This sign warns of an electrified overhead cable. Guess this traffic sign. Correct. This is the slow-moving vehicle sign. Identify this road sign. Excellent. This sign marks a telephone at a level crossing. Name this traffic sign. Well spotted. This sign prohibits vehicles carrying explosives in the area. What is this road sign? Correct. This sign prohibits goods vehicles on a particular road. Name this traffic sign. Excellent. This sign prohibits vehicles over the indicated width. Guess this traffic sign. Well spotted. This sign alerts drivers to road works ahead. Great job finishing this video. If you want more driving test guides, road sign lessons, and study tips, subscribe now and turn on notifications. Keep boosting your chances of passing with the videos on your screen, and we'll see you in the next one.